Every year, the Hubble Space Telescope goes and takes a census of the planets, takes some pictures, sees what's going on, and this is Uranus and Neptune. Now, Uranus doesn't ordinarily have this big cap on it, but it's been heading towards summertime for it, and the pole of Uranus points right at the sun, so it gets continuous sunlight. It's being baked, and this cloud has appeared, which is kind of neat. Neptune, the dark spot here, it's another storm, is seen, and they're tracking it, and the bright little storms around it, so kind of cool. We can take a close-up of the Neptune image, and then the Uranus image. Notice there's another little white storm just below that cap. That's often seen and has been tracked, and it's been a long-lasting feature in the atmosphere. Hubble was hoping to be able to see it. But interestingly enough, one of our own staff members, before Hubble even took these pictures, took some images up at Mount Wilson with the 60-inch up there. He uses some video techniques where he can pick out the highest resolution ones where the atmosphere was especially still and the seeing was very good that night. Well, here's the picture of Uranus he got, and if I step forward and go back and forth, about an hour, he waited an hour. He thought he saw something on the limb right here, so wanted to see if it moved, and it did. Well, he had a friend that was on the team that was taking these Hubble images, contacted him and said, hey, I think I've seen something. Is this the sort of thing you're seeing? Well, sure enough, other amateurs had been sending their images to this team. None of them were actually getting it right. Blake, it turns out it's our own Blake Estes, as you can see there. He's an employee of Griffith Observatory. He was the first one to send it and the first one to pick up that feature from the ground. And the ephemeris that they were going to use to predict when to take the image so Hubble would see that storm matched Blake's position. So they were able to verify the ephemeris they were using for their planning based on Blake's image. So very cool. And again, we'll jump to the picture that Hubble took, which is higher resolution, but this is still stunning to get this sort of imagery from the ground. Uranus at this time was less than 4 arc seconds across. So for those of you that do ground-based photography or astrophotography know that this is ridiculously good from the ground. From orbit, of course, you get even better, but this is in space. So congratulations, Blake, on an amazing image. And Hubble of seeing this neat picture of Uranus. So very,
and
very
Uranus
neat.
for producing the cloud.
Yeah,
I'd like to thank
I'd like to
Uranus.
thank-
I'd like to
And the
thank
sun for
Neptune.
heating it.
I'd like to thank the solar system for existing.